Hey gang, Scott here. Another quick tip for you in Lightroom. This one is about processing photos that have snow in it. You want that snow to be a very crisp white. There's two things that I'm doing in Lightroom, and one of them might not be so obvious because it's not actually an editing technique. It's a little visual trick you can play on your mind to help you get that crisp white. So let's go to it. So in this photo here, most of this is in the SDR range, and I could go into HDR and I'd really get these whites to pop, but it's almost overkill for this photo. So I just want to get a little extra crispness into the whites here. Before I do any additional editing, the very first thing I'm going to do is zoom out like just one notch and then right click out in this area here and change the background to white. Now I have pure white and I want to get my snow to be very, very bright. Now we can really see this is kind of like, it's got a little bit of a bluish cast. It's almost a little gray. So now when I get into adjusting the snow itself, I'll do that with masking. And I've done this once before, but we'll just recreate it here. Very straightforward Luminance Range Mask. And I'll find some area out here, this like patch right here in the snow. That looks good. And we get almost a like a perfect looking selection there. This scene particularly lends itself to a luminance range. And then the adjustments are simple. In the color area, I'll take saturation and I'll pull it down. I'll pull it down really far so you can see all that color just disappearing from that snow. And then in tone, do an exposure. I'll push it far so you can see what's going on, and we'll dial it back into something that's a little more reasonable, something like that. So before and after. And what I'm using this white background for is to kind of keep the snow in check. Is that snow looking about like this pure white? So that's a little visual trick. You can help get that match. So you want that snow to be very white. Make the background white. And once I'm done with that, of course, I'm going to switch it back to black and move on with the rest of my processing. But there you go. Quick tip for getting your snow to be nice, crisp white in Lightroom. Hope you found it useful. Questions, drop them below. And until next time, my name's Scott Davenport. Have fun.